do what I do because I have a simple mission, and that is to support my clients. It's to give my clients the courage, the skills and the vision for long-lasting success. And then how does that translate into me getting out of bed in the morning? Well, that's to do with connection. The energy that you get from connection is fantastic. And that opportunity to develop high quality individuals and high performance teams is the perfect partnership for me and my clients with 2B Limitless. A great coaching client is someone that is fully committed to the process. They're not afraid to be open, not afraid to show their vulnerability, but at the same time, welcome to be challenged. And that is the perfect ingredients, I feel, for a great coaching client. That's a really challenging question. My first thought is that you can look at our testimonials, you can look at my individual recommendations, but actually with each team and each individual I work with, that's really deeply personal, and each team and individual has a different focus. So the impact really is individual to them. But I know that I'm curious, I know that I listen, and when you have those two combinations of things, you give people space, and you give people space to grow, and that really does help impact.